Hello everybody. I took Amtrak for the first time. So this is the Throughways bus that takes me to the train. It's about a 2-hour ride on the bus and then about a 5-hour train ride. Once we get to it, there's about an hour layover. This is where I live, Jose Monkey. Can you find me? This is the train, it's the Palmetto, headed to Alexandria, Virginia. I took business class. It was very comfortable, assigned seating, very spacious, lots of leg room. Miles in transit. The right meter was not too bad. So thanks for watching. It's still cheaper to drive, I think.